Now on this screen here on the One Search Plus, what you can see is there's this initial search option, which you can see you can type in a component or a symptom, and depending upon the vehicle, you'll get more information down here. As you can see, these are grayed out. On your medium duty trucks, you probably would see more information on these tabs, but as the months and years go on, Mitchell is filling these in a lot more, and each different vehicle you look at, these could highlight more, so don't just assume they'll be always blocked out. You can also enter your trouble code here. So this will be a more standard way of what you're used to. Just pick your controller, your SPN, and then your FMI, hit search, and it's bringing us up these options. It's best bet to stay in this upper area if it's going on instead of additional results. Additional results will take you to the books, which we can look at later. But for now, you're going to click here. Now, once you've selected the code, it brings up these boxes or these rectangles, and on these rectangles you can see the specifications related to this code, testing procedures related to the code, component related to the code, and you can read so on and so forth. And depending upon the code in the vehicle, you'll see more or less of these rectangles. Now let's go through some of these. So I just went to the specifications, and then I had to come down here to this section where it says after treatment system to get more of the information I was looking for. And as you can see here, DBF tank reference table, another table, then here's your other specifications, back pressure. So this is where you want to go if you're looking for specifications. You can see testing procedures. It's giving us something short here. But whenever you see these are like a darker gray and you can mouse over them, then you can click on them and see if there's some other information underneath each one that might be the answer to what you're looking for. Component connector. So this is showing you color photos and with the pinouts already labeled for you. As you scroll down, you'll see other ones here. So you're able to go through each of these as you want to, and like I said, you'll see which ones are in there. But that's really the One Search, what's supposed to be, or what it is about it that makes it nice. So you can go through these rectangles as you want to, but that's the piece about One Search, is that you can type in your code and it brings everything to you instead of having to go through the manuals.